Today we are going to speak about the topic manipulating strings in C++. So now we can see what is a string. Everybody knows in every language what will be the string. We know string means it is the sequence of characters. That is, we are representing the sequence of characters in double quotations. That is an string. The using string, there are many functions to do in the programs. We have used null terminated CHER characters as a C string, or we can be represented as a C style string to store and manipulate string. So here we are going to use about the C style string. Then in ANSI C++ provides a string class called the string class. So we must include, that is in program, hash include. Normally we will use the header file should include studio.h, congo.h. If we are going to use string functions inside the program, in the header file we have to show discuss as a string in our program. We have to include string in our program. Now we can see about creating string object. How we are going to create the string object. So it is created by using the some sequence using constructor with no argument. Means we have going to create like string s1 s3 like this, and if you are going to use with the construct if you use argument with the constructor, means in double quotation we are going to insert the string in double quotation xyz. First example, we are going to create without arguments. No constructor can be created with arguments or without arguments. So first is we are creating the string without arguments. So simply s1 s3. In second example, we are creating constructor with arguments. In the double quotation string we have declared. Then we are assigning the string object by s1 equal to s2, and we can concatenate string by s3 is equal to double quotation abc plus s2. We can concat like this by using the plus operator. Now in keyboard, how we are going to use, we are telling C in by using this operator s1 and C out. By s1 we are giving input to the programs, and to display the content of the s2 we are going to use the out statement. Then getLine means we are going to read the line of text, so this both is C in operator s1, it is equal to getLine C in comma s1, both are equal only. After that we are going to use the increment, means s3 plus equal to s1. So here what is going to done, s3 is equal to s3 plus 1, and suppose as a string itself we are going to take, means s3 plus equal to double quotation abc. So s3 equal to s3 plus that single quotation. So these are the sum of the string object. Then here manipulating string object, what all we can done here, what can be done. So what all can be manipulating the string object, we can create, read, display, find the string, modify, adding, comparing, accessing and obtaining. Still it continues. So creating means we are going to create the string object. Reading means we can read the string object from the keyboard by cin statement or getLine get input we can read them. Displaying the string object means by using cout statement we can display the output. Finding the string, finding a substring from string. This is, we have many number of methods to find a string from the substring. Modifying means we are going to update the modifying. What it means, the modifying the string, suppose for example it will be like C++ programming. Now extra we are going to add object oriented C++ programming. So we are adding the string, that is we are modifying the string. Likewise adding means also adding object of the string, also we are going to add object. Comparing string is can be done by the relation of an. We can compare two string by relation operation, and we can return the output. Accessing characters of the string, single character, or obtaining the string means we are going to obtain the size or length. So we can create the string object using constructor. We can create with arguments or without argument. We can create the string object. We can read the string object from the keyboard by cin statement, and by co statement we can display the string. Finding the string means we can find the, using the string method we can find the string from the substring. Modifying means we can update the string, like a single character we can replace, like that we can do in the string. Adding the string, adding object to the string, comparing both the strings can be compared, accessing characters of the string, then obtaining the size of the string. So here some functions. String copy, what we are going to give in bracket string 1 comma string 2. So what it does, string copy means it copies the string 2 into the string 1. It is going to copy one. Concat means we are going to join both the string. String length, here we are going to find the string length. String comparison, what you are going to do here, we are going to compare the both the strings. If it is equal, it returns 0. If it is less than equal like this, then it has individual output. Suppose return 0 if string 1 and string 2 are same. Then less than 0 if string 1 is less than string 2, greater than 0 if string 1 is greater than. So for each comparison we will be having one output to return. After that, string character, here string 1 comma what character we are going to give, we have to intimate here. So this returns here pointer to the first occurrence of character ch in string. Then string in bracket string 1 comma string 2, this returns here pointer to the first occurrence of the string 2 in string 1. So here these are the few of the string objects. String method, string copy, concat, string length, string comparison, string character. So extra we have many strings to find the substring, like this all we have many string methods. These are some important constructors in the string classes. We have three constructors. First is then creating empty string, that is constructor creating with arguments and without argument. First constructor is and without arguments. So what will be the syntax? Simply string in bracket, nothing is given. After that, in second we are giving string constant character star string. So this constructor is used for creating string object from a null terminated string. So here what we are doing, simply one null character we are going to give inside the as an argument. Another string constant string, this constructor is used for creating a string object from another object, one object to the another object. Constructor is created. And we have simple example using the relational operation. So first hash include header file using namespace void relational operation. Void relational operation. We are going to take two strings, string s1 comma string s2. What we are going to do? We are going to add s1 plus s2 and storing the result in s3. Next we are going to use the comparison. So s1, if during if and else statement, if and conditional statement, what we are doing to s1 is not equal to s2. So by using the cout statement, s1 is not equal to s2, it is going to display. After that, s1 is greater than s2. s1 is greater than s2. Here we are going to compare both the string for the greater one, and in else if statement we are going to compare both the string for the smaller than. s1 is smaller than s2, it is going to display the cout statement. After that, in if s3 equal to s1 plus s2, if you are going to add both the string and we are going to see the equalities. In main string we are giving the input as, we are giving the two string input, string 1 geeks and string 2 for geeks, and relational operator s1 comma s2 return 0. So how this going to implement everything about the string operation using the relation operation we are given. So we took two strings here and we are going to check it is for equal, not equal, greater than and smaller than. For relation operation we are going to check here, and the output and the that constructor argument is passed in the main statement. So this will be the output. Geeks is not equal to for geeks. Geeks is smaller than of geeks, and geeks for equal is equal to. So what all we first equal to? So these two is not equal to, and smaller than we have checked, and for equal to operator we checked. So after that we are going to S1 and S2 we are going to create. This is the output. Thank you.